Hello, boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you a very easy and effective tool to help you with your reading. I know that sometimes online classes might be a little strenuous, especially if they give you like a bunch of reading to do and you don't have a lot of time. So this is one tool you can use. It's called Read and Write, and let me show you how it works. This is the app right here. You open it, and it opens this up right here. All you're going to do is highlight, and then you're going to press play. So I'm going to press play.
Elements of culture. How is culture part of your life? What are some of your favorite foods? Do you like pizza, rice and beans, pasta, samosas?
So as you can see, like I press stopped right here, so it stops reading. So it reads almost everything. The only one that you'll have trouble with is if you try to read it on a Google slide, it will skip some words. But other than that, it works. There's other tools up here. You have your highlight, so you can highlight certain words that you're having trouble with. And here we go. That way you can come back to it later. You can paintbrush it. There's a bunch of tools here, but the most important tools are your play, pause, and stop. Why? Because it helps you read everything that you need read to you. Okay? And like I said, it works on anything that's on Google Chrome or on the internet. So what you can do, like, let me give you an example. Like, let's say you have a Google form, because sometimes we take tests. And if you're someone that, you had tests read to you, you can use this to have the test read to you instead. Let me try to find a Google form that I can use. Alright, so I have this Google form right here. Let me put it on the student view real quick. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the app, which would be this one right here. Now, when you're going to open up the app, it's going to be this symbol right here. It's like a puzzle piece, and it has a smart RW on it, and it's purple. You click on it, and it should open up automatically. If not, just click on it a few times, and it should open up. So what you do is you're going to select, and then you're going to press play.
Making and using maps is a big part of 5 points. Math. Reading. Geography.
So as you can see, it could work on a Google form. It also works on any internet page that you choose. Like if you go to Yahoo News, you can click on it, and you can click on something like this, and you can open up the app, and it will still work. Give me 1 second. Okay, now it's working. Like I said, you're gonna have to click it a couple of times. Sometimes, if you have it open on other pages, it won't. Like I had it open over here, I had to close it, and I had it open here, I had to close it. So make sure you close it every time you're done with it. If not, then don't be jumping around other pages like I am, and leave it open because then it won't work. So like all you would have to do is just underline this and just press play.
Los Angeles, AP. Chadwick Boseman was born.
And like I said, it's a great option. Like I said, most importantly, it's great for like when you're reading your tests, because then you have an option to read to you. Also, let me show you something else. These are my settings. I have it on. I don't have anything clicked on here because it's just reading word by word that I choose. If I have it on continuous, it'll continue reading like this. Let me see if it comes up. So let's say I just underline this one word. Instead of just reading that one word, it's going to continue reading.
The Black Panther. 3 at Welfare Baptist Church Cemetery in Belton, South Carolina, about 11 miles from Boseman's hometown of Anderson, the Los Angeles County certificate showed. Anderson held a public memorial for Boseman a day later. Boseman died at his home near the...
So like you can see that it's going to continuous read. So like me, I have it turned off because I just want to read just one by one. You, as a student, maybe you wanted to leave it turned on. Let's say if you're reading a story that it continues reading. That way you don't have to do it one by one by one. Okay? Or you can just highlight everything if you want. You can control the speed. Like this is the speed I have it on. If you wanted to read faster, you can put it up to 100. If you want to read slower, you can go up to like 1. 0 won't read anything. So you can go up to like number 1. It reads it really, really slow. But that's basically it for your part. There's other things you can look at, but it gets a little bit more complicated, but that's all you need to know. How to download it, let me show you how to do that. Excuse me. Okay, so to download, you're going to go to the App Store, the web store right here, and you're going to put read and write. Then you press enter, and it's right here. And all you're going to do is just put add extension. Right now it says remove from Chrome because I have it. You're just going to add extension. It should come out here. Okay. Now if you have a lot of extensions, then it's going to come out over here. You just have to look for it through here. Okay, and you're going to look for the purple one that says read and write for Google Chrome. And you have to use Google Chrome because apparently it's only for Google Chrome. That's what it says here. If you're using that other one, what was it, Microsoft Edge, then it probably won't work. You can try it, but I don't know. I know Cami was not working on Edge for a while, so I don't know. But if you want to use this, download Google Chrome. It's not that hard. Easiest thing to do is just go to just type download Google Chrome, and it will send you here. Put download install. You just read the instructions here, and it should let you download it. If not, you can just go here. Okay. The easiest thing is just to click on the main page right here. You press download, and it'll download it for you. Okay. Remember, guys, if you're going to use a lot of Chrome apps, you need to use Google Chrome. This is a great app. Like I said, like right here, it has Google Docs. You can read it on Google Docs. And you can read it on websites, and you can read it on, like I showed you, Google Forms. Okay, so that way, if you're having trouble with your reading, because it's too much reading, because sometimes teachers do assign a lot of reading sometimes, you can use that to help you with your reading. Okay, boys and girls, if you have any questions, please ask your teachers. I will help you as much as I can, and I will get in contact with you if you need help. Okay, bye.